Hey, aviation enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into something groundbreaking. Airbus is pushing the boundaries with a new manned drone interoperability program designed to supercharge mission success. What is manned-T? Airbus is developing the manned-T system, short for manned-unmanned teaming. This innovative system will enable the Eurofighter Typhoon to control trusty wingmen drones remotely. This is part of the STAR Advanced Systems and Constellations research program. Where and how? This exciting project is being implemented at Airbus Defense and Space facilities through the X-Platform Capability Study, XPCS. The main goal? To showcase manned-T capabilities on the Eurofighter, laying the groundwork for future command and control integration in the FCAS, SCAF program. The STAR Demonstrator key to this project is the STAR Demonstrator, a two-seat Eurofighter outfitted with cutting-edge cockpit and connectivity tech. Airbus is focusing on new human-machine interface, HMI, and communications technologies, crucial for future FCAS, SCAF applications. Essentially, they're turning the Eurofighter into a future-ready asset. Enhanced capabilities. The manned-T system on the Eurofighter will include remote carrier control, RC, and electronic combat wingman, ECW, functionalities. This means manned and unmanned systems will work together seamlessly to achieve common mission goals. Why it matters. manned-T is set to revolutionize aviation with intelligent, connected, and modular unmanned systems, all linked by a distributed intelligence network. These systems act as force multipliers for manned aircraft, boosting the team's capabilities while keeping pilots safe and in control. Versatile applications from search and rescue to maritime surveillance and border security, manned-T's applications are vast. Unmanned systems will enhance the coverage area and effectiveness of manned platforms, making missions more efficient and successful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the future of aviation.